first video. Who cares? I'm using my cell phone. Who cares? Sorry about the world that we made. I will show you the survival mode WSG server. Oh, okay, so maybe let's try something else. Bounty Hunter's my favorite. Okay, here we go. Which one? Right. So leave in the comments below. So let's use this one. Okay, so guys, my brother is actually watching. No. Run away like a little pig. I will get you. Oh my god, really. So guys, that's mine. I'll show you a custom map. So I did not make this map. I used an app for this. Tanks versus helicopters. Helicopter is quite cool. I made one, but I won't show you. It's weird. Okay, so now that is my brother. He is watching Peppa Pig. So I don't know if you know Peppa Pig, but it's a TV show in Nickelodeon. And if you want to watch it, just go to Nickelodeon and make sure it's early in the morning, because early in the morning they show Peppa Pig. Alright. I'm going to the MTDM lab. Here we go. Okay. So they did it the way. So this is how I do it. Okay, nice. I'm guessing they used an older version for this. Okay, so alright, I forgot about the button. Bye. Oh, no one. Sorry. Guys, I can't believe I just destroyed the map. It's okay, I fixed it. There we go. There we go. Hey there, Dr. Trioris. He didn't name you. The creator of the map didn't name you. So now... Oh my goodness, the creator must have had a lot of time. So this is actually the creator made this, not me. Oh cool, they even have an antenna. I'm guessing they were in survival. And look at their house. Awesome, underwater. I wish I wish this is still here. But yeah, still have to get it. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay, so Triers is out. Yes, this is not my dog. This is the creator's dog. And this is what you doing with the laptop, huh? Slap in the forehead for you. Okay, that's that. Fine. you let me do this, but trust me, this thing can shoot. It's ugly, and then it can shoot. Okay, so you see this? I made this. I don't know why I made it like this. It can shoot arrows. Yeah. Ooh, a trampoline. And that obsidian and water thing right there, it's right. It's mostly a cannon. My brother's still watching. I've been shooting arrows lately. And that one's the first creation I've made in this world. In this world only, okay. So now it was a failed one, as you can see. I find the pole quite long, quite short, quite chubby, like a baby, like baby sister. Boing, boing, boing.
Well, the chocolate biscuit study. We had blocks yesterday. Oh, sorry.
Boing, boing, boing.
Naughty, Daddy.
Okay. So, Ooh, sheep. I'm actually great at shooting arrows.
Night, night. George, what's he doing?
Sometimes I miss, sometimes I don't. It's a 50-50. Oops. Kaboom.
There's a
Oh.
spider in my bedroom. Please, Daddy, take it away.
I'll just kill it. Whoa, yeah. I'm not gonna leave these. Okay. So hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.